So at Preston County Hall, carrying out bird proofing treatment. As you can see, the old previous netting system has failed miserably. Some fixing points, these have come out. The netting's old, it's tired. There's 12 turrets in total. We're all nicely prepped up today. All nets pre-cut prior to site visit. As you can see again, another net's failed here, a lot of slack. There's no barrel strainers being used here. Fixings are okay, missing some of them. Net's completely failed, which could obviously allow pigeon ingress into the chapel. There's some ivy growing out there, we'll get that removed, we'll get that root blasted. There's 12 turrets in total. As you see, it's failed again. Very slack. Not the most tidiest of jobs. We'll get it sorted. Atlas Environmental Services Limited, the Northwest solution for bird control and pest management solutions. And a mighty fine day up here in Preston today. It's dry, very windy earlier, but we've coped. We've currently constructed 6 turrets which have all been replaced. Full netting system, aluminium fixings, as you can see, absolutely solid, no slack or play in that. Net's nice and tight. Barrel strainer, aluminium, copper ferrules, total bird proof permanent exclusion. Same again. Nice tidy job. No play at all. And that's nice. Nice fixing. One. Beautiful. Absolutely solid. Bird proofing installations, 10-year guarantee, non-malicious damage, permanent exclusion.